Hi everyone, are you facing issues with the nickname feature on Facebook Messenger? This problem usually happens because of app glitches, cache issues, or outdated software. To fix it, you can try cleaning the app's cache, updating Messenger, or reinstalling the app. Let's get your nickname working again. Before starting, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test. Turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds, then turn it off. Poor connection can prevent changes from saving on Messenger. Solution 1. Clear Messenger cache. Open your phone's Settings app, tap Apps, find and tap Messenger, tap Storage and Cache, tap Clear Cache. Reopen Messenger and try again. Solution 2. Log out and back in via Facebook app. Open the Facebook app, tap the menu and select Logout. Log back in with your account. Open Messenger and check if nickname changes now saved. Solution 3. Reinstall Messenger. Uninstall the Messenger from your device. Restart your phone. Reinstall Messenger from the Play Store or App Store. Log in and try changing the nickname again. That's it. If Messenger nicknames aren't working, one of these steps should fix it. Let me know in the comments which one helped you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Messenger fixes. Thanks for watching.